Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Loop versus Notion. Microsoft Loop is a new collaborative workspace designed for real-time teamwork within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Notion, on the other hand, is a well-established all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and wikis. We will explore their core functionalities, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you decide which platform best suits your needs for productivity and collaboration. Microsoft Loop excels in dynamic, real-time collaboration. Its components, like paragraphs, tables, and task lists, can be embedded and edited across various Microsoft 365 applications such as Outlook, Teams, and Word. This seamless integration allows teams to co-create and share content instantly, fostering a fluid and connected work environment. It's perfect for quick brainstorming sessions and shared document creation, keeping everyone on the same page. Notion offers unparalleled flexibility as an all-in-one workspace. It allows users to build highly customized systems for notes, tasks, project management, and knowledge bases using its powerful database features. With hundreds of templates and dozens of integrations, Notion adapts to virtually any workflow, from personal organization to complex team projects. Its strength lies in structuring information and creating interconnected systems tailored precisely to your requirements. Choosing between Loop and Notion depends on your primary needs. Loop is ideal for teams deeply embedded in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, prioritizing real-time, embedded collaboration. Notion is superior for those requiring a highly customizable, comprehensive system for structured data, project management, and extensive knowledge bases, offering immense flexibility. Consider your existing tools and the specific nature of your collaborative or organizational tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.